Ever feel overwhelmed by the investment world? Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, it's enough to make your head spin. You know you should be investing, but where do you even begin? Here's the thing, investing doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, with the rise of robo-advisors, it's easier than ever to get started. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're diving into a popular robo-advisor, StashAway, to see how it works and if it might be a good fit for you. What is StashAway? StashAway is a robo-advisor, meaning it uses automated algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Think of it as a personalized investment coach that works tirelessly for you, 24/7. How does it work? Getting started, sign up and answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, investment goals, retirement, vacation fund, etc., and time horizon. Risk assessment. Based on your answers, StashAway creates a diversified portfolio of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that aligns with your risk profile. Automated investing. You can set up automatic deposits, and StashAway takes care of the rest, rebalancing your portfolio and making adjustments as needed. Benefits of StashAway. Convenience, simple and user-friendly platform. Diversification, reduces risk by spreading your investments across different asset classes. Low fees, generally lower fees compared to traditional investment advisors. Automated management, takes the stress out of actively managing your investments. Who is StashAway for? New investors or those with limited investment knowledge. Busy individuals who don't have time to actively manage their portfolio. Someone seeking a long-term investment strategy. Things to consider. Limited customization. Robo-advisors don't offer the same level of customization as a traditional advisor. Performance. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Fees. While generally lower, there are still fees associated with robo-advisors. Alternatives to StashAway. There are several other robo-advisors available, each with its own features and fees. Do your research to find the best fit for you. StashAway makes investing accessible and convenient, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Do your research, choose a platform that aligns with your needs, and stay invested for the long term. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance content. Until next time.